हाँ जी सोहणिओ की हाल है। वेलकम टू द काइंड फ्लक्स। जिवें कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਈ ਸੀ ਵਾਲ ਕੱਟਣ ਵਾਲੀ, ਉਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟਸ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਘਰੇ, ਕੁਇਕ ਐਂਡ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਤੇ ਚੀਪੈਸਟ ਮੈਥਡ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। Hey guys, welcome to the kind flux. So today I will be showing you how you can do your highlights at home, very quick and easy method. So I'm gonna show you what products I'm using. Let's get to it. So guys, I'm using Vitality bleaching powder and cream developer. It's 30 volume. You can use 40 volume as well if your hairs are like really dark, but I wouldn't recommend it because it can break your hairs and it can do more damage. I would say 30 is a good number. You can use 20 if your hairs are lighter in color, like very close to brown or light brown, or like a little bit blondish, that would be good. And last one is blown toner. It will help us to tone our hairs at the end. And also I have one this cap, as you can see. It will help in the highlight, but I don't use it too much because it's very time consuming. And the other thing is, when you do it next time, you can't pick up the exact same hair, so there's no point using it. So I will be using one scoop of bleaching powder, not a scoop, like a teaspoon, like this teaspoon, and double amount of that, 12 per. So one scoop of that and double of that, so 1:2. Let's get to it, and I will mix it up, then I will show you how I apply to it. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮਿਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਆ ਤਿੰਨ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ, ਇੱਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਲੀਚਿੰਗ ਪਾਊਡਰ, ਇੱਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਰ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, 30 ਵੋਲੀਅਮ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡ ਦਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੋ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਚੱਕਰ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ। ਲੈ ਲਓ ਪੰਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੈਣੇ, 2-4 ਘਰ ਦੀ ਖੇਤੀ ਹੈ, ਆ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਵਾਲ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਪਰਵਾਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨੀ। ਤੇ ਬਸ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮਿਕਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਚਮਚ ਉਹਦਾ ਬਲੀਚਿੰਗ ਪਾਊਡਰ ਦਾ ਤੇ 2 ਚਮਚ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਰ ਦੇ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਵਧਾ ਲਓ ਜਾਂ ਘਟਾ ਲਓ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜੇ ਥਿਕਨੈਸ ਘਟਾਣੀ ਵਧਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਰ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਵੱਧ ਪਾ ਲਓ, ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੱਲ ਜੂਗਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਥੱਲੇ, ਇੰਨੀ ਕੋਈ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਚਲੋ ਆਇਓ ਕਰੀਏ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ, ਫਿਰ ਕਰੀਏ ਮਿਕਸ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ। So here we go guys. So I will be using 1 scoop of that. I'm not using too much because I don't need it that much. My hairs are not that long. So यार मैं जमा थोड़ा जी पा रहे हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं पा रहे, 1 चमचा ही या ऐसे थोड़ा घट ही पाऊँगा क्योंकि मेरे वाल इतने ज़्यादा है नहीं गए तो मैं लोड नहीं हैगी। So around that much, I don't need it all of it. So and then that's the peroxide developer, and I will put double the amount, so like this, a little more, and that should be enough. And also I'm using plastic spoon because they say it's better. You shouldn't use metal spoon because it can react as well. And I'm using this brush to mix it up. Let's get to it. So just mix it up like this. Also one more thing, you can use gloves. I'm not using gloves because I've done it a lot of times, but if it touches your hand or something, it can cause a little bit of burn, but it's not too bad. So it's up to you if you want to use gloves or not. So just mix it up like this, and then you will get a paste like this. Let it focus. Yeah, here we go. So it looks like very less, but it's more than enough for my hairs, honestly. Okay, and I will show you how I apply it now. So our paste is ready, and as you guys can see, I'm gonna come a little bit close to the camera. My hairs, I'm not gonna be applying to the root because it can damage your hairs, so it will be a little bit higher than the root. And I will be applying like randomly, like here. Trust me, at the end it will look good. I get a lot of compliments from people, and I always do it like that. And normally I just do like this, the way I style my hair, then I just go randomly and see. So मैं थोड़ा करके लाऊंगा ਇੱਥੇ, ਤੇ ਜੜ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੜ੍ਹਾਂ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਲ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋਣ ਦਾ ਚਾਂਸ ਥੋੜਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਲਾਓ। ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਬਸ 40-50 ਮਿੰਟ ਆਪਾਂ ਰੁਕਾਂਗੇ, ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਾਲ ਧੋ ਕੇ ਆਹ toner ला लांगे, ठीक है? So we will apply it for 40 to 45 minutes, then we will wash our hairs, and then we will apply this toner for like 5 minutes, then wash our hairs again, and then we are done. So we will apply like this. I put a little bit on my brush, as you can see here, and then I'm just going like this. So see, there's a line here, so that's what we want, because we don't want it too messy or too big. So again, a little bit here, then I will go like this here. That's it, simple as that. There's still a little bit space under the roots, as you can see here, but I will leave it. Or I might put a little bit more at the end, but not too much. So it's up to you where you wanna apply it or not, you know, your choice, your hairs, how much you wanna apply, like this. And this. Also, one more thing I remember, sorry if the focus is not that right or my face is not showing up properly, because I'm looking at the mirror behind me. You can also use this comb, it's very handy. You can just apply it a little bit like this on it, and then just do like this. It's a thin thing and it will help you to precisely apply on your hairs, you know, like this. So this little bit extra, don't worry about it too much. You can always use tissue or something and then clean it up later. It's not gonna color your hairs. And don't worry about the product. If you have any product in your hair, for example any oil or any gel or anything like that, this bleach is pretty good, you know. They are made to penetrate through it, those products, but it's good idea to wash your hairs as well. So normally I do it, so like this. Here you go. Okay, so I'm gonna finish it up like just like that, and then I will wait for like 40 minutes. I will show you once I'm done with everything, so you get an idea. For example, I will do one more. So apply it on a little bit on here, and then if I go around here, see, like this, just like that, and I will show you how it looks like. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna finish it off in the mirror so I can see better, because the camera is in the way, I can't see properly. But just like that, it's not gonna be too much anyway. So here we go, I'm finished with it now. I will give you a 360 view and then you can have a look. I'm a little bit more close to the camera so you can see better. See, it looks a little bit messy, but it's alright. It's not too much, just around. And then I will leave it for like 40 minutes, then I will wash it off and use that blonde toner. So दोस्तों, मैं 40 मिनट वास्ते रखूँगा। तुसीं देख ही लिया कि मैं अप्लाई किया, बड़ा ज़्यादा तो नहीं हैगा, माड़ा माड़ा लाया है, माड़ा मोटा मैस गंद पै जाता, पर कुछ नहीं होता। टिशू लो तो साफ कर लो, कोई चक्कर वाली गल नहीं, तो माड़ा मोटा उत्ते थल्ले भी हो गया, कुछ नहीं होता। जिवें मैं वाल स्टाइल करता है तो इन्ना कवर हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना। तो now we'll be wait for 40 minutes and I will show you later then how it looks like. Guys, so nearly 40 minutes are over. I will wash my hairs. I'm just in my shower or in my bathroom. I will wash my hairs and I will show you how it looks like. So दोस्तों 40 मिनट हो गए तो मैं ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ देख सकते हो ड्राई हो गया नीयरली, तो मैं वाल धोऊंगा ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ। Then I will apply that blonde toner as well for like 5 minutes. Then I will show you how the end product look like once I start styling my hairs and everything like that. Okay, let me get back to you. So hey guys, after applying this blonde toner for 5 minutes, I washed my hairs. As you can see, my hairs are still wet, but it will give you an idea how they look like, and I think the result is pretty good. So you can see it now. ਸੋ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਆ ਬਲੌਨ ਟੋਨਰ ਲਾਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਂ ਵਾਲ ਧੋ ਲਿਆ ਉਹਦੇ, ਅਤੇ ਹਜੇ ਵੀ ਗਿੱਲੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਕਾਫੀ, ਤੇ ਪਰ ਦੇਖੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਦਿਖੂਗਾ ਔਰ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਬਲੌਗ ਤੇ ਐਂ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ but anyway, so once I will style my hair after some time and after drying it I will show you the finished product how they look like. Okay, stay tuned. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਤੱਕ ਚੈਂਪੀਅਨ ਦੇਖੋ. So see guys how they look like, give me your feedback. I'm just gonna turn around, trying to come a little bit more close. I really like it honestly. I love the result, and tell me your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.